Hey guys, Andrew and Lachlan from Home Automation Experience Centre. Today we're going to talk about our home automation Fibaro system. First we'll talk about the Home Centre 3 and the Home Centre Lite, 3 Lite, which is basically the gateways in how it all works. So Lachlan, take us through the home centres, please.
Yeah, so we have the Home Centre 3, which is a big, nice black one up there, and then we have the Home Centre 3 Lite, which is a smaller one. Both of them have very similar functionality. The Home Centre 3 Lite has a couple of little features that are taken out of it, just as the specs are slightly lower, but for any small smart home, it does the job exactly how it should. So we've got a couple of modules wired up as well for it. So we've got some dimmers, some double switches, there's some sensors up there, smoke detectors, flood sensors, all the rest of it. So we can do almost anything wirelessly as well as local switches. So we don't have to completely rewire the house to do it. They can just be added on afterwards.
All right, great. So just say I want home automation and I want to put a Home Centre 3 in or a Home Centre 3 Lite. How does it all work? I mean, do I need to connect that straight up to the network? Does it have Wi-Fi in it?
Yep.
Do I need to put it next to the router, or what do I need to do? And then how does it connect to all the light switches and so on around the house?
Yeah, so the Home Centre 3 and the Home Centre 3 Lite, both are completely wireless. The Home Centre 3 does allow hardwire networking through data, so that can be a better option, but personally I use Wi-Fi for both of them. It works almost flawlessly. They use a Z-Wave network to tell all of the little modules what they should be doing. So those modules can be wired up to any switch within the house, and the modules actually tell the lights what to do.
Okay, so basically the Z-Wave network creates its own mesh network. They all talk to each other, and that's how it all works.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So that's a bit different to, say, your Zigbee or Bluetooth, or it all works the same, is that right?
Z-Wave and Zigbee are very similar networks. They run on slightly separate frequencies so they don't overlap. Bluetooth is a local direct connection, whereas Z-Wave is a lot wider radio frequency, so it's a little bit more secure.
So I've done a little bit of searching on the net, and I found different brand Z-Wave products.
Yep.
Can I add them in to the Fibaro Home Centre 3 and 3 Lite?
Absolutely. The Home Centre 3 and the Home Centre 3 Lite both allow any third-party products with Z-Wave or Zigbee. You can add both of them into it, and if you let us know, we'll work on programming them all for you. We can add all of that into the system. So that's really cool.
That's
really,
awesome.
Really cool.
So just say I want to add blinds on there as well, and they're a different brand. They don't have Z-Wave.
Yep.
Can we do that?
There are definitely ways to do that.
Yep.
And there are ways to slightly rewire motors or possibly find other products that will be compatible. And we have made it work many a times in the past.
That's
Full
right.
integration is the key.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, guys. So if you've got any other questions on the home automation, the Fibaro system, please give us a call on 1300 762 773.